Hello friends! In this video, I will show you how to enable Roblox Voice Chat step by step. If you find this guide useful, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. First, you need to open the Roblox app or go to the Roblox website on your computer or mobile device. Then, go to the settings menu by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner. Next, go to your account information. The first thing you need to do to turn on voice chat is to verify your age. You must be at least 13 years old to use voice chat on Roblox. If you are over 13, you will need a valid ID to verify your account. If you are using a smartphone, you can use your camera to verify your identity. Just scan the QR code to get to the verification page. Make sure you are in a well-lit place to take a selfie and a photo of your ID. The verification process usually only takes a few seconds and is very secure. Once your age has been verified, go back to the settings menu and tap on privacy options to enable voice chat. You will see the option enable voice chat. Turn this on and grant the necessary permissions. Now, let's go back to a Roblox game and I will show you how voice chat works. Not all Roblox games have voice chat, but some do. You can tell that voice chat is enabled when you see the microphone icon in the game. If your microphone is not working, check your sound settings and make sure you have the correct input and output devices selected. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.